how to set day night auto mode in Android Auto Maps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. You will see second option is connected devices. So click on connected devices. Now here scroll down and you will see last option is Android Auto. So click on Android Auto. Now here scroll down. You will see day night mode of 4 maps is here. So click on day night mode. So if you want to set day, so click on day. So if you want to set night, so click on night. So if you want to set auto mic, so click on auto mic automatic. So after click on automatic, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set day night auto mode in Android Auto Maps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.